Exercise 80. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, thank you for permitting me to speak, though at the fag end of the discussion. Full stop. I shall try to confine myself to a few minutes. Full stop. Yesterday evening, many of us who are present here had an opportunity, perhaps a slightly sad opportunity, to bid farewell to many of the honorable members of this house, and at that time many of us happened to discover another superb quality of our finance minister as a singer. Full stop. While having dinner, our honorable finance minister proved himself to be a very good singer. Full stop. If I remember correctly, as an ordinary music lover, the rag which he sang was Malkons. Full stop. Our illustrious world-renowned musician Pandit Ravi Shankar is not present here, otherwise he would have corrected me. Full stop. The selection of the rag was appropriate there, as we were bidding farewell to many of our honorable colleagues. Full stop. But from the angle of the present state of affairs of our economy, the melancholy of that rag is very meaningful. Full stop. I do not know whether the finance minister was selecting that rag from this angle also. Full stop. I hope, and I hope against hopes, that the honorable finance minister would be in a position to sing another rag also, as the whole country is faced with a severe drought. Full stop. Going by the trends that we have been discerning in the economic sphere, as has been correctly mentioned by other speakers, the whole picture is not at all hopeful. Full stop. It is fraught with dangers. Full stop. I do not want to enumerate all that now. Full stop. But I find a very dangerous tendency developing in our country, which is against democratic traditions, both in the policy and again in the economic management. Full stop. Parliament has been considered, and Parliament should be the supreme authority to make legislation. Full stop. Similarly, each and every paisa to be levied on the people should be done after threadbare discussion in Parliament. Full stop. But what is being done these days?
Question mark.
So far as legislation is concerned, through ordinances, backdoor legislation is being practiced. Full stop. Similarly, in physical matters, the importance of budget
Is being eroded. Full stop.
just before the presentation of the budget, the government is taking recourse to various methods through which an economic attack is being perpetrated on the masses or the people, so that when the actual budget comes, the purpose of pickpocketing the people will be served through many other methods adopted by him. Full stop.